Hi guys, and welcome back to the Revit architectural training tutorial. In this chapter we are going to learn about the 2D navigation bar, its tools, and options. Let's begin. (2D navigation). Open any 2D view, such as a plan, reflected ceiling plan, elevation, section, etc., and you will see the 2D navigation palette in the top right-hand corner. The palette is split into two sections. The top half covers the steering wheels, and the bottom half deals with pan and zoom functions. If you click on the 2D steering wheel icon, you will activate the floating steering wheel palette. This floating menu gives you quick access to the most common 2D navigation tools. Once activated the steering wheel, it will follow your cursor around until you hide it again, by clicking the small X. If you move your cursor inside the boundary of the steering wheel, you can activate any of the options just by clicking on them. The zoom palette area. If you click on the icon in the bottom half of the palette, you are presented with all the options for zooming and panning around your view. These include the following options. Zoom in region. Click twice to define a rectangle. The view is zoomed to the extent of the defined rectangle. Zoom out, 2x. View is zoomed so elements are half the size they were before the view was zoomed out. Zoom to fit. View is zoomed to the maximum extent of elements visible in the view. Zoom all to fit. All open views are zoomed to the maximum extent of elements visible in the view. Zoom sheet size. Based on the view scale, the view is zoomed to match printed size on the screen. Previous pan and zoom. Reverts to the view previous to the current zoom. Next pan and zoom. Returns to the view after the previous pan/zoom command was used. By far, the easiest way to pan your view is to hold down the scroll wheel on your mouse, and then move your mouse. Like AutoCAD, Revit also has keyboard shortcuts. Press 2 times the key Z for zoom region. Press the key Z and then the key E for zoom extents. You don't need to press the Enter key to activate the keyboard shortcuts.